Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beth, and today I needed to get on camera to kind of preface the content of this video. Today I'm going to be doing things to my hair that I've never done before, and they might seem random, but they all make sense once I explain it, which is why I'm here on camera filming this part for you guys. At first I just filmed kind of vlog style clips, and when I looked at them, number one, I look busted, and I can't look busted the whole video, okay? I need y'all to know that, like, I can put myself together, okay? Also, I wanted to just add some context because I really felt like the video I was recording was making sense, and then it just wasn't. So I have to kind of like interject here and there, which is why I'm here right now. So I have my iPad. I have notes because, you know, I need them. So in a nutshell, I'm doing a bunch of things to my hair that I've never done. It's like a first time situation for a lot of things. That's from the way I colored my hair this time. That's from getting rid of dandruff. This is from using like old school hair products from the past, from using a different type of protein treatment, from using a different type of pre-poo situation. There's just like a lot of things in here that is like my first time, and it's very experimentative. So the first thing that I'm doing in this video is I am gonna show you guys the disgusting dandruff that was plaguing my scalp. This weather, the winter weather just has me dried up and crusty. Literally, it's so bad. But my scalp was so bad. It was so itchy. I'm going to show you guys me shampooing my hair. This is my first time using the Sulfur8 shampoo. If y'all are real, y'all going to know Sulfur8. Okay, Sulfur8 goes way back. I remember my mom using Sulfur8 in my hair as a kid. Yeah, and I had hair down my back my entire childhood. That's all I'm going to say. I know there's a whole bunch of new stuff out, but like sometimes what works, the oldies are the goodies, you know what I'm saying? So after I washed my hair, you guys, I literally just put it in a ponytail for 3 days. I know that sounds really crazy, but I was wanting to color my hair, and I didn't want to style my hair just to then go and have to wash it again when I colored it. And I thought I was going to color it the next day, but like life happens. And so much has happened in my life in the past month. It's just been crazy. I completely lost my voice. My daughter has been sick like twice. And then after I lost my voice, then I just developed a strange cough for the past 2 weeks. Like, it's just been very, very bizarre situations, and not to mention work, holidays. It's just been crazy. I really thought my hair was going to be crusty, but it was not crusty. My hair actually felt really soft and really clean. I did accidentally put like way too much on my hair. That was an accident. That wasn't supposed to happen, but it was fine. My hair was really clean, to say the least, and it really, really cleaned my hair, but it didn't leave my hair feeling so stripped. So I really appreciated that about the shampoo, and I'm definitely adding it to my list of like good clarifying shampoos. So again, it's 3 days later, and I'm ready to color my hair. But my hair, guys, I was just so fed up. I was like, I need a protein treatment. I need something. But because I wanted to dye my hair darker, I thought, let's go with the protein filler and see how that does. This was my first time, again, common theme in this video, my first time using a protein filler product that's designed to use with color. And I've seen people online use the protein filler by itself, but I was like, I have a lot of protein treatments. I have quite a few anyways, and this one, I was like, it's made for color. Let's use it with the color. Bam. So I put it in my hair. I did all the steps. I'm going to kind of speed you guys through this part, and I just put it straight on my hair. I think I dampened my hair, and then I put it on damp hair. So I left that in for, I don't know, like maybe 15-20 minutes, and then I put the color right on top, which is what the directions say. Now, another first time situation. Usually I color my hair with, of course, color, but this was my first time using a color gloss. So a color gloss is basically like a booster for your hair. They have a clear gloss that could just help add shine and nourishment to your hair, and then they have ones that are tinted with color. And I'm like, well, my hair was like that golden brown color, and I was like, I just want it to go darker. Let me try the color gloss. And so I used it, and I have thoughts. So let's recap the protein and the color gloss. Those were 2 first-time events. Why was I just trying all this new stuff on my hair all at once? We don't know. We don't really know the answer to that. With the protein filler, I was hoping it was just going to save my hair. I was just hoping it was going to be a SOS situation. But I don't really know. I think it would take me using it more than once. I just don't know. I feel like the results for me on that were inconclusive. And I know a ton of people swear by it, but for me, I just don't know. I'm not going to lie to you guys and be like, oh, best thing ever. It was really cheap, though, so it's worth a try because it was like $2.50 or something at Sally Beauty. I say it's worth trying, but for me, I think my hair was, looking good. So, I mean, I don't know. It just wasn't astronomical results. I almost considered the color gloss a fail because I felt like after a few washes, my hair was already back to where it was. But looking at my hair now, I don't know. It kind of still looks dark brown. In certain lightings, I feel like it looks lighter, but I'll say I don't think it's completely faded the way I felt before. So the color gloss wasn't horrible. Would I use it again? Probably not. This is what I was going for at the time, but I think I just want to go even darker, back to my natural hair color, my roots. So I already bought color for that, and that's the plan. But the color gloss, I don't know. Again, it was fine, but I wasn't blown away. I'll leave it at that. That process was kind of blah, which is kind of why I'm trying to gloss over it. No pun intended, but definitely pun intended. So after I colored my hair, obviously let it sit, rinsed it out, all those things, I went ahead and styled my hair. And another first was me using a product I have never used and would never probably usually consider using in my hair for a wash and go. So this right here is the Sulfur8 Fresh Oil Moisturizing Cream, okay? This right here, let me show you what it looks like because it's a really thin cream, but it's super moisturizing. This is, it would just drip right out of here. Boop. It's very, very lightweight, but it's very moisturizing. So I did a wash and go using this, and after that, life happened. And I completely forgot to film the after of the results of my hair with this product. But I do have some clips that I filmed on day 4 for something else. And they can totally apply to this. And my hair still looked good on day 4. So I'm going to show you guys next to me right now what my hair was looking like on day 4. It was a good wash and go. So I do recommend this. But we're going to get into this in a little bit. I'm going to tell you what to really use this for. I'm going to tell you what to really use this for in a minute. So about a week and a half or a week or so after this, I had a formal event to attend to, okay? It was formal. So I was at work finishing up earlier in the morning, everything for this event, and I had to go home and literally wash my hair, straighten, do everything to my hair. It was a whole fiasco, but I knew, I was like, I'm going to straighten my hair and I don't want a dry, dandruffy scalp. I don't want to have it. So I got the bright idea right before I left home, and I was like, I'm going to bring the Sulfur8, the OG. This is the original OG product. This is the product y'all see people mixing up, slathering all over their scalp for hair growth, mixing up stuff. This right here, okay? So this is the Sulfur8 Medicated, the original formula, anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. So let me tell you what I did, because the smell of this is called sulfur, so you know what it's finna smell like. It's strong, y'all. If y'all have smelled this from your childhood, you will never forget the smell of this, okay? And so I do want to note, though, they do have a updated kind of refreshed scent. So what I did, I was literally in my office working, and I was like, all right, I got to go home in an hour or so and wash my hair. And I just started putting it on my scalp and just massaging it in my scalp, and then I put my hair back up, and after a few minutes you get a tingly sensation and you can really start feeling it work. That was amazing. And I was a little bit nervous because this is like basically grease, right? And I was like, I'm going to straighten my hair. What if I can't wash it out of my hair? And then my hair is just greasy and ruined when it's straight. But let me tell you, the Sulfur8 shampoo did its thing, and this was no trace left in my hair. I did, for the formal event, y'all, I did like a faux bob. It was so cute. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. And it turned out really good. But this right here, my scalp just was like rejuvenated and refreshed. And the pre-poo with this was so good because then the smell was out of my hair. And I didn't have to worry about smelling like, you know. So that brings us to today, which today I did the same exact situation with the pre-poo. So I pre-pooed my hair using the same exact one. Yeah, I did the exact same thing. I put this in my hair. I massaged it in my scalp. I left it for a little bit and then I shampooed it out. So after that, I styled my hair and I actually used a mousse again for my hair. And this mousse left a cast, okay? It was crunchy town. It was Crispyville. It was giving Kentucky Fried Chicken crisp, okay? And I was like, all right, let's see how we can break this cast. And then I got an idea. So I got the idea to use this one, the oil moisturizing cream, the one that I told you about that was kind of liquidy. I took some of this, I rubbed it in my hands, and I scrunched it and pulled it through my hair. You guys, the shine, the moisture, the way it broke the cast so fast. That's what I need you to understand, how crunchy my hair was. This dissolved the cast so beautifully, left an amazing shine, and makes my hair feel so soft and moisturized. This, as a cast breaker, is unmatched. I'm telling you guys, run and get this one. Like, if you don't get anything else, I'm telling you, this to break a cast on your hair. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. Overall, the Sulfur8 was a big win for me. I didn't think that going back to my childhood past and trying out these products would be as fruitful as it was. I was really curious, but it was. There was a lot of firsts in this video, and honestly, the Sulfur8 was like the highlight of everything because some of the other products I was kind of iffy about. I'm going to leave more information about Sulfur8 in the description box, and I want to thank them for sponsoring this video, trusting me to leave my honest review for you guys, because that's what I'm always going to do, of course. I'm also hosting a giveaway with Sulfur8. One of you guys are going to win 4 Sulfur8 products of your choice, whatever ones you want. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is to follow Sulfur8 on Instagram at officialsulfur8 and follow their page on Facebook. Once you've done that, come back to this video, leave me a nice little comment, and leave your Instagram handle. If you don't have Instagram, just make one. If you want to enter the giveaway, leave me your handle, and I will send you a DM if you are the winner. And I'll let you pick out your products, get your shipping information, and I'll get your package right out to you. This, the pre-poo, the shampoo, those 3 products are getting added to my regular rotation of things that I'm going to be using in my hair. So if you're looking for a place where you can buy Sulfur8 products, check your local beauty supply store. For me, even my local grocery store, Kroger, has Sulfur8 products. So they're really not that hard to find, and they're super affordable. I promise you, you're not going to regret it. Thank you all so much for watching and going with me on my journey of first. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of ups and downs. It was over the course of a few weeks. That's for sure as well, because like I said, it's been a bit crazy. It's been a little bit crazy out here. But all in all, I'm just feeling very full and happy and joyful and thankful. So you guys, again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.